Alright, crazy party people. I'm going to be working on a front bumper of my 2018 Nissan. This is a bumper winch mount from Wham Bumpers. It's all custom made, beautiful welding, nice accessory tabs. Holes are all pre-drilled. We're going to put on this winch right here. And the greatest thing about this kit is it mostly keeps the stock appearance of a front bumper. I just cut out this little part here, and I'll be taking the whole bumper off, and we'll see if we can't get this done in a few days. It might not take that long, but hang out with me. I'll put links below in the, I don't know where I put links, but this is going on. It's going to be a fun day. Alright, I'm going to do my best to make a YouTube video here for you guys. I took some plastic pieces off, that's about it. It's just a little plastic spoiler under there. Took it off. Bumper moves a lot. Look at that. About ready to come off. I don't know where to go next. We're going to learn together. But I pop the hood. We'll see if something happens out of there. Hopefully I don't keep getting my license plate in the pictures. Ah, this is going to be exciting. I'm excited to put that on. It'll be so cool. Some of you may be asking, why don't you wear gloves? It protects your hands. And you don't get dirty. Look, there's some gloves. Look. There's gloves. You protect your hands. Well, you know what? I didn't wear gloves because I forgot. So shut up. And my hands are dirty and they hurt. This is the piece I took off. Can you see it? I don't know. It's the bottom. Very American. I think the European one has 2 holes for the tow hooks. Americans don't have 2 holes. I don't know. There's a joke in there. Do what you want. Pro4x. Alright. Here's the first of probably more secrets to come. It's being held on pretty good. You know, you can find little places for push pins, plastic push clips and stuff like that. And they all come out. You can find them. Look for things that are metal and plastic and try and separate them. Look at all that movement. Oh. But here's the super secret one I found. God, the bumper just fell off. This guy right here, under the fender well. You got to take your fender well down a little bit. See? You get in here, and a really tight little spot up here, you can get these 2 10 millimeters. Good God. It was hard to do, but look. Did that, and the bumper just fell off. So I got 2 more to do on the other side. And we're ready to start installing the Wham bumper winch mount. Wham! Yeah! Alright, we got a battery ran out on the little camera. But we got all the plastic off. Time to get this off. Right here, see it? 4 bolts. Should come off pretty easy. Oh yeah, those popped right off. I'm kidding, I had to break those with a breaker bar. And there's one down here, in this little hole. Look at that, little hole. There. I'll take the bottom ones out first, and then the top ones. So it's kind of hanging off the top ones. You know what I mean? There's 2 more over there. Look at that flashlight. I tell you what, these 2 bolts to get the fender off right here under the fender well while you're reaching around that way, that's a big pain in the arse. Yeah, right here. Look at, there's no room. And this is the strongest plastic in the world, so you can't bend it or move it. You can decide if you want to take it off. You got to remove your fog clips. Then gently take your bumper off, plastic bumper, and lay it in the bed of the truck like that. Put all your pieces in a bucket. The grill has to come off. Pro4x! What do you think I'm going to do? Prop my phone up somewhere pretty precariously on the bumper of my trailer so it tips off? Just so you can see how this thing comes off? Okay, I will. There. That's a 17 millimeter, by the way. No biggie. Nothing was too tight that you couldn't handle. There you go. I'm gonna take a lunch break, come back and finish up. Boop. All right, it's been a long day. I'm not a YouTube master, nor do I want to be. I don't care. But there's the Wham bumper installed with the winch on it. Winch works. I tightened it up. Should be nice and tight on there. Relocated the solenoid. That's what I call it, solenoid. This is a funny little thing if you get this model. Smitty built. I'm gonna hook this into a fog light, and your Smitty built will do this. Oh, see if I can get it to light up. Ta-da! Crazy. Da-da, da-da. Okay, enough messing around. I gotta put the bumper on tomorrow. Well, the plastic bumper and the grill. I'll try and make a video of that. I don't care. Battery's charging now because I drained it. Trying to spool it up so there's no flex in the cable. Alright, that's this Smitty built, and a Wham winch bumper on a 2018 Nissan Pro4x. Okay, bye.